Hi, I'm Angie Taylor. I'm a digital artist, sculptor, animator. I've been working in digital art since the 1980s. Yes, I'm that old. Started doing wood carving in Jamaica on a beach, and that was before I went to art college. And when I went to art college, I wanted to kind of combine that with a punk ethic. I was a big punk during the 70s and 80s, and ever since, really. So punk has played a big part in my life. I've been trying for about 30 years to capture the same feeling that I used to get when I made my sculptures out of wood. I really like leaving the mark of the chisel and seeing how something's constructed, and I'm trying to do that in 3D. And I use VR tools, and that gets me really close to that feeling of fast, expressionistic kind of immediacy of like naive art and punk art. So my figures they're mainly figures, and they're very abstract and angular, and I deliberately leave the marks of the software on them, and that's part of my style. I'd love you to come along and see my work. I've got a booth at CADAF. I'm also hosting the opening party at my gallery in Cryptovoxels, which is called the London Gallery. So I hope you can make it along to my booth, see my work, chat to me, get to know me a bit better, and also introduce yourself to me as well. And I hope you have a great show, and hope to see you at my booth.